Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to assign default values to an object's properties. It is a common need in JavaScript, especially when handling optional settings or configurations. We'll use Object.assign along with the spread operator to do this in a clean and elegant way. Let's get started by understanding the goal. We want to merge multiple objects where the leftmost has the highest priority. Defaults should only apply if the original property is missing. This is super useful in APIs, forms, or app settings where fallbacks values are common. Now, let's break down the code. This function uses Object.assign to copy properties into a new object. We reverse the default objects so earlier ones take priority. By placing obj at both start and end, we ensure existing values are preserved. Let's walk through the process more closely. The key to this method is controlling the override behavior with ordering. Reversing the defaults puts the least important values first. We use Object.assign to merge everything, and obj at the end locks in the original values. Time to test some examples. In each case, the function preserves original values and fills in only what's missing. If a key already exists in the original object, it is never overwritten. This behavior is predictable and makes the function great for merging defaults cleanly. Now, let's explore where this is useful. Developers often use this technique in front-end frameworks, APIs, and form validation. We can safely assume values are present by using this function early on. It is a great way to simplify your logic to avoid repetitive checks. Let's wrap it up. That's a wrap. You now know how to merge defaults into objects while preserving original values. It is concise, elegant, and extremely useful across many types of applications. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.